How to control another Android phone from my phone the easy way. I'll show you how to use AnyDesk for remote access between Android devices. First, install AnyDesk from the Google Play Store on both Android phones. Next, open AnyDesk on the phone you want to control remotely. This will be the host device. Following that, you'll see a unique AnyDesk address displayed on the screen. Note down this number. Now, on your own phone, open AnyDesk and enter the address of the other device in the Remote Address field. Moving forward, tap on the Connect button to send a connection request. Afterwards, on the other phone, a permission request will appear. Tap Accept to allow remote access. In addition to that, you may need to grant additional permissions for screen sharing and input control. Once permissions are granted, you'll see the other phone's screen displayed on your device. Subsequently, you can now control the remote phone by tapping, swiping, and navigating as if you were using it directly. Moreover, AnyDesk provides a toolbar at the top with options like keyboard input, settings, and disconnect. Afterwards, you can open apps, send messages, or perform any task remotely with full control. Then, when you're finished, simply tap the X button or disconnect to end the remote session. Within seconds, the connection will close and both devices return to normal operation. And that's it. If this remote control tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Android tips, and enable the bell icon for new content. See you in the next one.